Hello, today I'm going to make piping hot broccoli soup. For that, we need 2 cups of broccoli florets. In 3 cups of boiling water, steam the broccoli for 5 to 6 minutes. 5 minutes are up. Let's check on the broccoli if they are cooked. Here I'm using broccoli stock to make broccoli soup. Also we need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, salt for taste, half tablespoon of black pepper, some cheese strands for garnishing, half cup of milk cream and 1 cup of milk. Now in a pot add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now add garlic into it and stir for a minute. Now add 1 cup of broccoli stock and stir nicely. Now add broccoli florets. Give this a stir, and if you feel the need to add water, add some water and let this cook for another 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of milk, salt, and black pepper. Mix them well. And cover with lid and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, bring this pot off the flame and let this cool down. I am going to grind them into a smooth puree in the grinder. Grind this into a smooth puree and make sure there are no broccoli pieces left behind. Take a pot and add the broccoli puree and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it well and bring it to boil. Once it started boiling, add milk cream into it and mix continuously so that the puree not start sticking. You can also check for the salt if needed. Cover with lid for 5 minutes. Bring it to boil. Now the soup is ready to plate. Garnish with some broccoli florets and a few strands of cheese. Do try this at home. Thank you.